And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 197. Let me show the Roughen effect. This one can be used to create rough outlines, so it gives you these little chaotic spikes. The size is for how big these spikes are. You can use absolute and relative values. And the details then for how many of these spikes you're going to get. You can also change the point. Corner is this sharp edge, and smooth or round it a little bit. It's going to round it in both directions, so the spikes inwards and outwards get both a rounded edge. You can also add that to text, but when you add it to text, you have to watch out a little bit for the values. Let me show you. Smooth and corner is totally fine. And also the details, you can even go very high here, but the size is a problem. You can only stay at low values because otherwise the text becomes unreadable. So this is what you need to watch out for. Go down with the size, and the rest is then freely adjustable. And this I can use the Roughen effect in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.